Tiglon has sent me another product, this little baby here. This is a phone holder with a built-in tracker. So it will track you up to 360 degrees, and we are going to be testing it. We're going to do a quick unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money. And by the way, it cost, at the time of making this video, I think it was just under £40. So it's not going to be cheap, but it should be good quality. And we are going to be testing it to see if it can actually track you, up to 360 degrees. So we'll be walking around it. I'm going to try and place it in the middle of the room somewhere, probably in this room, and then I'm going to walk around it and see if it keeps tracking me. So with that, what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, have a look around at the product, and then we're going to give her a test. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, I'm going to have a quick look around the box, then we're going to do the unboxing. So basically shows you a picture of what it can do, has some information on the side, shows you some examples. I'm not going to go through them all because obviously you want me to actually give it a test. Shows it on a stand, and I'm going to be putting on a similar stand to that actually, just so you can see it all working and actually show you all around my room. Some more information there, and that's about it. Right, let's get it open. So instructions, probably multilingual, I'm guessing, maybe not, or maybe. USB to mini USB, and what do we have here? Oh, another one. We get 2 leads. Oh, interesting. Not sure why, but we will find out, won't we? So that is a short one, and that is a longer one. Not sure why you get 2, but let's have a quick look around. So you can screw it into a tripod, yeah, with that will turn on off button, and yeah, it looks right. Not sure what that does. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a measure up of the lead, or leads, have a quick read the instructions, and we're going to give it a little test, aren't we? So I will be back. Before we've had a play with the unit, I've had a measure up, and the short one, cable, is just under 1/2 metre, and the long one is just under 1 metre. So not quite a metre, not quite 1/2 metre. There's bound to be someone out there who's going to ask me the question, so I've done it already, just to get that out of the way. So with that, let's get on with actually testing the unit itself. So I've already placed my phone on there, and I've got it turned off at the moment so it won't follow me. And I've had a quick read the instructions, so it takes 3 seconds to turn it on, apparently. So it should be on, it goes down and then up. So it's just getting itself synced, if you like. So it's ready. So if I move to the left, it will follow. If I move to the right, it will follow. Also, it does say in the instructions, ideal position would be 3 to 5 metres away. Or, yeah, that's what it says. So it might be a little bit too close, I don't know. And also, if you walk too fast, it's not going to keep up. So something to bear in mind as well. But it does work. It also says in there about the environment you're in. And I have found out that when I go round that way and my studio lights are on, I've got one on at the moment, the other one's turned off, it does get a little bit confused, and I'm going to show you. It might not happen. It'd be typical, it probably won't happen. Yes, didn't happen that time. It does pick up the light and it does get a little bit confused. It's confused now. I'm a little bit too close, but yeah, can't help it. So if I squat down, it should follow me down. Yeah, and then back up. It's not fast, but it does work. And if you don't want it to do the up and down motion, you press the button on the back 3 times. Yeah, so when you squat down now, it won't follow me. It will follow me left and right, but it won't go up and down. See that? So you press the button 3 times on the back, like so, and now it should work. Yeah, perfect. And it does go back quite a way as well, so if I lower it down a bit, It will tilt. I think that's about a maximum. Let's have another go. Bring it down a bit further. Not bad, not bad. We are getting too close. Right, bring it back up. So ideally you want it at eye level really. But like I said, you don't want to be too close and you don't want to be too far away neither. But it does seem to work quite well. It's very quiet as well. Can't actually hear the motor running, although I've got fans running in the background. And yeah, not bad, not bad. Let me know in the comments what you think. There might be someone out there looking for something like this. Don't forget, this doesn't need any software whatsoever. It's all pre-installed on now. You don't need to download an app or anything to put on your phone. So if you don't have a smartphone, this could be perfect for what you may need it for, whatever you're going to be using it for. Like I said, it does lose you sometimes. Hello, I'm over here. Hello, that's better. It does get lost sometimes, so you have to bear that in mind. Yes. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it's a good little gadget or not, or what you would actually use it for. I think it's alright. I think it's worth the money. If you're looking for something like this, it's definitely worth the money. So with that, I'll keep saying that word, don't I? With that. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Come on. Right, going this way now.